Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 trigger isn't responding, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to wear and tear or a malfunction within the trigger mechanism. If left unresolved, it can lead to more significant problems, potentially rendering your vacuum unusable. Thankfully, with some basic tools and guidance, you can fix it yourself. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger mechanism specifically for the Dyson V11. You might also want some tweezers and a soft cloth to keep everything clean during the process. First, ensure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Start by removing the canister from the vacuum. This will give you better access to the trigger area. Next, locate the screws that secure the casing around the trigger. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and keep them in a safe place. Be gentle, as over-tightening can strip the screws. Once the screws are out, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the casing. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Now, you should see the trigger mechanism. Inspect it for any visible damage or blockages. If you notice anything amiss, gently disconnect any cables leading to the trigger. They should come away without too much force. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the trigger disconnected, it's time to remove it from the casing. Carefully lift it out, being mindful of any small components that may fall out. Once removed, take your new trigger mechanism and place it in the same position as the old one. Make sure it fits snugly and that all connectors line up correctly. Reattach the cables, ensuring they are secure but not overly tight. After that, you can close the casing back up. Align it properly and push down until you hear a click, indicating it's secure. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. Finally, reattach the canister and plug your vacuum back in. Test the trigger to ensure it's functioning as expected. If it responds well, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dyson V11 trigger. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to regularly clean your vacuum's components and check for any debris that may cause blockages. Additionally, avoid using your vacuum on overly wet surfaces, as this can lead to malfunction. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.